In this tutorial, I'm going to show you where to find the Canva keyboard shortcuts so that you can really speed up your workflow. Now, Canva has keyboard shortcuts for Mac and also Windows, and you can find them just here. Now, what I'm going to do is link this down in the description so you can come through and check it out. If we take a look here, we have basic shortcuts for Mac. If we click on Windows, we can see that there as well. So for Mac, to undo is Command and Z, to redo Command and Y, save Command and S, and many more. Now that's just the basic shortcuts. If we scroll down, they have element shortcuts as well, again for Mac and for Windows. They also have video shortcuts, zoom in shortcuts, edit text shortcuts as well, along with view shortcuts, comment shortcuts, desktop app shortcuts, and that is it. So if you really want to speed up your Canva workflow by using shortcuts, come through and check it out. There will be a link down in the description below. So that's how to find the Canva keyboard shortcuts. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.